We're living joyfully with our friends at PIRCH Rancho Mirage, and this morning they show us how to make the most delicious seasonal focaccia bread. When Chef Kimberly and I were baking this, everyone at their Rancho Mirage showroom came over and asked, "What are you two making? It smells delicious." And it was. Take a look. Chef Kimberly, what are we working on this morning?
So this morning we're going to be working on the Miele Speed Oven. So what that is, for those that don't know, it's actually a microwave and a convection oven. So you could have it, to melt butter, heat up your coffee, but you could also bake in it. You could do a combination mode, so it's going to cook faster. That's why they call it the speed oven. But we're going to be making some focaccia today. You have your own, I have my own over here, so you can get your hands in there
and we did wash before.
Yes, yeah, and put whatever fall toppings you like. So today we have a little bit of fennel, we have some herbs that I'm going to chop up for us, we have some honey nut squash, and then some Dakota squash and some cheese. This has literally 3 ingredients in it. It's just AP flour, a little bit of yeast, water, and then salt. That's it.
So how did you set this overnight, or?
I did. So this one actually was in my fridge since Monday. So you could do up to 72 hours. So it's called a cold fermentation. And then you want to pull it out for at least 3 hours before you bake. The thing I love about focaccia, it could be so seasonal. Right now we have some fall toppings, and in the summer you could do asparagus, bell peppers, tomatoes, just kind of smash it a little bit. It's kind of fun, right? It's like playing with Play-Doh. It's fun for the holidays, right? We're thinking holidays. You could have your guests kind of make your own little focaccias. Oh, yeah. How fun would that be?
And it's so colorful too, very seasonal.
Very
and you can
seasonal.
use whatever's in
season.
Yeah.
So if you go to your local farmer's market, I know you just did a little segment on farmer's market.
We did.
So you could go and just pick a bunch of random stuff and put it on your focaccia.
Then the olive oil, you just drizzle on top?
Yeah, you just drizzle a little bit on top, about a tablespoon. Did you want fresh basil, garlic, or just regular olive oil? You have many choices today.
I'll do the garlic.
Okay.
All right, looks good.
Yes, so we're ready for the oven.
Let's go.
It smells like garlic goodness. We're gonna go ahead and set a timer, and it says right here timer, and we're gonna do 25 minutes first. We're gonna kind of keep an eye on it. We're looking for a nice golden brown crust on top. So 25 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes max. So our focaccia is nice and done and golden brown.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Right? And you can see that nice little crust all around. Give it a little tap. Have yourself some homemade focaccia. That looks amazing. And now we just wait 10 minutes, then we'll cut into it, have a little bite with some butter.
Okay.
Go for it.
It's so good.
There's
It's
something
so
like
warm.
homemade, warm bread right out of the oven.
It's so good.
Right?
I'm not faking it. It's so good. It's so fluffy.
This is not for the camera. This is real life.
It was very good.